We guide you through how to add a music booth to your Discord server quickly and easily. First thing you need to do is to choose a reliable music booth like Hydra, Jockey Music, or Greenboot, then visit the booth's official website on your browser. Click invite or add a Discord when Discord Windows pops up. Select server where you want the music booth to join. Make sure you have proper permissions, usually manage server, so you can authorize the boot. After choosing the server, click authorize, complete the CAPTCHA, and the boot will be added instantly. Once it's inside your server, go to any text channel and type the boot's main music commands like play, pause, skip, or queue, depending on what the boot supports. You can also set up a dedicated music channel to keep everything organized. When you start playing a song, simply join a voice channel and the boot will follow you there and begin streaming music. It's a quick way to bring playlist, background music, and shared listening session into your server.